Hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I'm doing an unboxing of some Stampin' Up items. So this is like a Stampin' Up haul. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, so let me see if that's good enough. Yeah, that's great. Let me put this back. This thing is so sharp. Every time I use it, I feel nervous. Hold on. Okay, so I know sometimes horror videos are fun. So let me just get out of the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out all the stuff so the box could be out of the way. And put it all to the side. Okay, so this is the haul for August. So let me fix this a little better. Okay, there we go. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show is this. This is a shimmery white embossing paste. Okay, Stampin' Up embossing paste. Take it out of this plastic bag. Okay, look at that. Right? So that's the embossing paste. So what I'll do is I'll leave the link to my shop in the description section of the video, because it will be a lot to like list all these items. So the next thing, so that's the embossing paste. The next thing I'm gonna share is just take your pick. You know, I got some extra stuff for embossing and for when you want to, you know, pick up sequins and other things. Okay, I forgot what this is for, but I know to take your pick part. Yeah. So, yeah, pick up tiny things and put them on your projects. And here it comes with some instructions. That's good. I think I want to put this back in the box for now. All right. And so the next item is these soft pastels. Stampin' Up Pastels. I actually already watched some videos with this, for techniques with this. So these are soft pastels. Got these colors. Yeah. Okay. It's an assortment of colors. Okay, so next got this counting sheet. Well, this was free because it was part of celebration. So I got 2 things for free. But I really just love the sheep because we are Jesus's sheep, right? So I was like, oh my God, I love this. But it also has some sentiments. You're amazing. So glad it's your birthday. And some little grass and a birthday hat. So that's cute. It's a cling stamp. And then I got this Stampin' Cut and Emboss. This is an embossing folder with music notes. When I buy stuff, I think about like themes in the Bible. And themes like reoccurring themes. So like praising the Lord, singing to the Lord. This is something I know that I will get a lot of use of. Sheep, I would get a lot of use of. So that's my rationale behind like the stamps and folders and things that I buy. If something looks really nice, but it's not something that I know that I'm gonna use a lot, I may admire it, but it's not something like, how can I say it? Again, it has to be something I know that's like thematic, that I know that falls under a theme that I know that I work with a lot, you know, or I create with a lot. Here are some brushes, blending brushes. This is called Merry Melody, and this is called Counting Sheep. And these are blending brushes. Okay, I think this is another free one. No, this isn't. This is Strong of Heart. Through struggle comes strength. Here for you, you amaze me, stronger than you know. And these are the two, and these are some additional, of course, these are highlighted stamps. These are sentiments, and here's this other additional little heart right there. That's so nice. Okay, it's called Strong of Heart. Okay, I really like these watercolor shapes. The way that they're made is when you're using, you know, whatever pigment you're using, it's going to give a watercolor effect. So I'm really excited about that. It's the way the stamp is made. I can't wait to use that one. I'm excited about that. Okay. And last but not least, this was a sale. This wasn't, I didn't pay for this. It came with the celebration. I got 2 free items for some like rewards or something that I got. And so, but textures and frames. So I like stuff like this. So I chose this one. It was a few for me to choose from, and these are I chose this one and this one. Yeah. Okay, so I had to insert because I forgot to show the rest of the items. Got this bone folder from Stampin' Up. This thing is really heavy duty. Heavy duty bone folder, which I'm gonna take out right now. So I need to leave it in the plastic. And also this right here. These metallics Stampin' and Emboss powder. So I have silver, gold, and okay. Oh, it's actually 2 silvers. I got 2 silvers. Interesting. I don't think I meant to do that. That was an accident. So I'm just gonna put one up for like when I do a giveaway. Yeah, that's what I do if something was duplicated by accident. Yeah, that was my fault. I think I meant to get another color, but no, it was. This, I'm gonna look on, let me look on my ordering paper. I think that was free. Okay, let me see. 1 second, metallic embossing powders. Oh, I think it came with 2 silvers and 1 gold in the pack. Yeah, because it's not duplicated on my receipt. Okay. All right, that's it then. Okay, and I think the celebration is still on. Yeah, I think it's still on. I'm not 100% sure. Let me check right now. I think it's still on. And if you buy $50 or more, you get to choose a free item. So okay, 1 second. I'm checking now to make sure. Okay, for every $50 you spend, you get to choose a free item. There's several here. So let me see this celebration host. 1 minute. I'm also leave my host code in the description section of the video. And my link. That way when you go in, you know, once you go through my link, you're gonna see my name up top, and then you can put in celebration. But once you total up those amount of items, it's going to automatically let you know that you're able to get some free items, and it's for every $50. So if you spend $100, you get, you know, 2 free items. And it's from August 3rd, yep, to September 30th. So it's still on. So I'm gonna leave a link to that as well, okay, in the description section of this video. So that's it. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.